see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Let's sing out for the man, I'll drop it. Get the crabs.
Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. And ito yung, ito yung first,
I said 9 times out of 10 I'll drop it, so I just get the crumbs off.
this is yung first game for this year sa football, Janka netball. So, di ba nabanggit ko na sa inyo sa mga previous vlogs na si Kuya maglalaro muna this year sa East. Tapos si Zach the same pa rin sa Bay. So, para sila may laro. And the thing is, hindi namin pareho mapapanood sila. Kasi si Kuya, dito nga siya sa Mount. Tapos si Zach, magta-travel kaming like 2 hours papuntang Row. So ngayon, ita-drop lang namin si Kuya kila Auntie Mel. Tapos si Auntie Mel ang bahala na sa kanya. Tapos kami magta-travel sa Row. Excited ya? You too? Yeah. Good luck. So yung di namin mapapanood si Kuya. Gusto ko sana siyang panoorin kasi ito yung first game niya dito. Kaso si Holly din, kailangan nandun din ako kasi si Jan kahisa kasi mauna si Holly tapos si Zach mag-start bago pa matapos si Holly. So yeah, so ano kami, hiwa-hiwalay kami. Pero mapapanood ko pa rin si Zach. Siguro mga patapos na yung first quarter. So yan yung aming schedule for this year. But sabi ni Jan, next week, are we gonna be able to watch Kuya next week, ha? Next weekend.
Dad, do you want me to go? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Dad, do you want me to go?
Babe?
I don't know, because Holly's got netball.
Yeah.
It's only one that's on.
Oh, kasi may netball kasabay kasi ni Holly yung schedule ni Zach sa netball. So hindi namin, so we're not sure yet.
One of us will. One of us will take the other football.
Ay, ako.
Yeah, Mum, you can just go, and then after their game, you can come watch me.
Oh, so okay, I'll drop. Okay, so yung schedule book next weekend, ako kay Kuya magde-drop off kasi dito lang naman. Tapos si Zach dito na sa Bay. So, yeah. So si Jan na kay Holly tsaka kay Zach next week. So makapanood ko si Kuya pero wala akong kakilala dito sa ano ni Kuya. Sa maglalaro si Kuya. Hindi ko alam kung saan magpa-park. Hala. Walang ganang park, Kuya. Kasi syempre madaming tao yan. Okay lang pag nagte-training sila, Kuya. Pwede ko siya. Kasi ako nagda-drop off minsan o kaya ako talaga nagpipick up kay Kuya halos most of the time sa kanyang training. And si Kuya rin kasi meron din pa siyang isang team. Yun yung sa Glenald naman maglalaro si Kuya. Yun yung mga bata na age ni Kuya sa iba-ibang klaseng clubs na create na isang team para maglaban doon sa Adelaide. So, si Kuya this coming Monday, Kuya, you're going to play to Glenald? Yeah, so ngayong Monday, hindi kayo makakasama kasi team niya yun, mayroon silang bus. And hindi kami manunood kasi fully booked ngayon kasi what they have in Adelaide today, ha? Ground? What's that one for Monday?
Gathering.
Yeah. So hindi kayo makakapanood nun kasi busy ang Adelaide dahil sa gather round. So, yeah. Walang accommodation malapit doon sa ano nila, Kuya, fully booked. Kaya si Kuya, hindi namin makapanood yung first game niya din. Kasi first game din to ni Kuya at first time niyang lalaban sa Glenelg. So, i-wish na lang natin si Kuya good luck. Gusto ko sa mapanood si Kuya. Etong age ni Kuya, 4.5 yung mga ka-team niya dito sa East. Kasi kung sabi ko sa inyo, ay may rainbow guys, double rainbow han. Good luck siguro to sa boys. Kita niyo, hindi ko alam kung kita niyo. You see that, Baba? Double rainbows. So, update ko na lang kayo. Ita-drop up lang muna namin si Kuya kila Auntie Mel. And malamig, ang pangit ng weather. May sunny pero umuulan kanina.
Why do you have so many cars?
Brad's
Ay,
coming here
yeah, si,
to
To
start
load.
his business.
yeah. Sa, Brad, alright. I'll take your photo first, you three, come on.
Same great service, locally owned and
It's a road
operated with
to work.
local knowledge and offering solutions and
Na-drop off na
advice
pala
on
namin
all
si
things
Kuya
turf.
kanina
Get
pa,
certified
and
turf
19
suppliers
minutes away
and
na lang
proud
tayo sa
members of
road.
Lawn Solutions
May mga
Australia.
road works.
Visit
Oh my God.
bluelakesturfsupplies.com.au or call Tom on
Tabi muna
0409
tayo.
428 003 for a free
I wanna
quote.
get your
Blue
time
Lakes
then.
Turf Supplies. Growers right here.
Hindi na matapos-tapos ang road work.
Well, that's it.
Yeah, but it started there. No, it's not. It's more here. Kanina marami doon din. May mga tao. Dito wala masyado. Walang tao. Pero yung road nila hindi pa maayos. So sana wag umulan. Ang lamig-lamig sa labas. Kanina umulan eh. Ayan, nagdi-drizzle na naman. Are you ready, Baba?
Yep.
Dito naman, meron ulit ng
Is it 6 minutes?
road work. Ayan.
No.
Ang daming pa road work. Kanina pa.
What? 6 minutes.
6 minutes? Why 6 minutes? Maybe 6 seconds.
No, it's already been a second.
Nah, it's not 6 minutes.
Umiikot lang siya. Wala namang car na.
They're
Nakadaan.
talking full jack, so
So is it 6 minutes?
No.
No. Are coming.
right.
We're not far from Rogue now.
No, I'm just over there.
That's far.
And then we get there at 9 o'clock, then I gotta wait an hour.
Half an hour.
Half an
warm
hour.
Yeah, warm
We're
up.
not there
eh?
yet, so you get there.
I hope we can get a nice. No, we're not gonna get a
Right,
nice
man, let's
park.
park near the netball. We'll watch there.
Yeah, but it's
watch
gonna
footy.
be cold.
No, Dad, you're watching the footy.
Gusto ko sana sa loob lang kami ng car
Yes, he
nanonood.
is.
Kasi kung
Wants to watch me
umulan.
'cause I know.
Kaso dito sa Rob, laging reserve ang kanilang
See,
mga
you've been
parking kahit maaga ka. Walang car, pero naka-reserve sa mga taga-Rob. Yun, sila yung may pinaka yung parang parang greedy sa parking. Kasi sa amin, ang rules dito, ayan, alis, green na. Sa amin dito sa Bay, walang naka-reserve. Naka-reserve lang siya for seniors, tsaka mga handicap. Dito, hindi. Halos lahat ng tao naka-reserve. Kung taga-rope sila, nakapag-reserve na sila. Kaya anytime, kahit late na sila dumating, okay lang. Kasi may park silang daratnan. Kami, nagdadrive kami maaga para makaharap ng maayos ng parking. So dapat yun, halos na pinupunta namin mga towns na nilalaruan ng mga bata. Ganon. Pero dito sa Rob iba. Kaya hindi sila masaya sa Rob pag papunta kami ng Rob. Aside na sa malayo, wala ka pang magandang parking kahit maaga ka pang umalis. Kami pa naman, lagi kayong maaga umaalis. Para nga makakuha ng parking. Pero dito hindi nag-work. Maaga or late, walang maayos na parking kang. Yan, dito na
Right, just park here.
I don't know, whatever you want.
Can you park at the netball?
Ayan, naka-reserve sila lahat guys. Ang dami pa sanang Yes, dami pa sanang space. Kaso reserve. So dito tayo sa netball. Andun yung football.
At the bottom, man.
Yeah. Yung mga bata na warm up na sila. Maya-maya si Holly mag-start 9. In 10 minutes si Holly mag-start na. Si Sak mamaya pa. Bago matapos si Holly, si Sak nag-start na. Yun yung schedule ng footy ni Sak tsaka ni Holly. And tingnan nyo, ito yung sinasabi ko na kahit maaga ka dito, hindi ka makaka-park sa may mga vacant na space. Tingnan nyo. Kita nyo yan. Mga reserves yan. Reserves. Sa baba tsaka sa taas, naka-reserve yan. So, anytime, kahit anong gusto nilang oras dumating, may parking sila kung sino man yung nagpa-reserve. Ang nakita namin last year ay mga mga kaidara nila dyan, hindi pa sila matatanda. Doon kasi sa base, sabi ko sa inyo, matatanda ang naka-reserve. Mga seniors ba? Dito hindi. Kung sino afford na makabili na, kasi binabayaran din nila yan. So kung sino ang nakabayad dyan, sila yung magpa-park. So pag nandyan na sila, hindi na namin makikita yung laro. Mas maganda sana kung sinong nauna sa footy club, sila makakuha ng park. Diba? Para fair sa lahat. Kasi yun yung iba eh. Halos sa ibang towns, ganun din. Kung sino nauna, kaya nga lagi kayong maaga sa football para makakuha kayo ng maayos na parking. Kahit malayo pa sila, maaga talaga kami umaalis. Pero dito, hindi na. Kahit maaga ka, wala ka pa rin makakuha ang park. Sana hindi umulan. Si Kuya 10 pa yung laro niya, 10 o'clock. 9:23. Si Uli may mag-start na. Okay guys, see you later. Hindi ko nabanggit sa inyo na, hindi kasi ako nag-vlog kagabi. Kagabi yung ganap ni Holly for Fashion Parade. Yun yung every year na ginagawa sa dance school ni Holly. So, insert ko din yung pumunta kami kung saan namin kinuha yung damit. Kasi yung school ni Holly, yung dance school ni Holly, nakikipag collaboration sa mga local stores dito sa amin. Like, yun nga, sa arena, sports, mga sports clothwears, pero meron naman na iba pa yung mga fashion wears. So si Holly may kinuha, hindi namin binili, last year binili namin sa Cotton On yung nakipag-collaborate. Well, mayroon namang Cotton On, tapos arena, iba-iba marami, pero depende kasi kung saan sila Holly kukuha ng damit. So this time sa sports arena sila, so mayroon doon mga Rip Curl, so yun ang kinuha ni Holly na, insert ko na lang. Last year, binili namin yung damit kasi gusto ni Holly. Ito kasi yung nakuha namin, meron na si Holly, iba lang yung color, kaya hindi namin binili. So insert ko na lang yun. Hindi ako masyado nagbablog nga kasi nga ayoko matambakan, so yung vlog yung makikita is iba-iba. Right! Just wait for Mom. I'll see you when. Are you gonna change now? Go, good luck. Is it nice and warm? I think it looks nice.
Why'd you even call me up when I never wanna see ya? I'm just on my way back home, little drunk and alone, but I'd rather kick ya. Even though it's Friday night and I got no plans tomorrow, I could use a bam bam bam, but it's not from you, 'cause I'm not that hollow. Baby, let it be. You could try to sweet talk all you want, but I ain't that lonely. Forget your rules, forget your shoes. I've done everything you asked, but I wasted time. Forget your truth, you're just cool. I swear anything's better than you. Get you on the flip side, get you on the flip side. So goodbye. Funny how it works sometimes. Yeah, we kinda hit it off at first. Checking every bar in town, all the sleepless nights until things got worse. You're so manipulative, trying to convince me of the shit, but it didn't work on me. So
Oh, well done! Well done, people! Ellie and Amy. Good girl! That's it, look through. That's it, big frog. Yeah, that's a girl.
anxious.
So we're all,
They're
yeah,
all on
and
edge.
they all seem to be there way too before the person's ready.
They're like little magpies or seagulls on a tree.
Yeah. Tapos na, panalo sila Holly. Tingnan nyo, dito, hindi kami pwede mag-park kasi naka-reserve to. Pero wala pa sila. And dito din, oh, di ba? Pero hindi kami pwede dyan mag-park. Kasi reserve siya. Third quarter na pala itong pinapanood natin. Leading tayo. I hope it's not gonna rain.
Yes, Riley!
Ah?
Yes.
Oh.
Go, Dane. Go,
Go,
Dane!
go, go, go.
Good boy.
Yes, good job. Go, Saki. Good job, Sak.
Oh, Jag was 31.
Come on, come on. Kasi ito na yung last quarter. Yes, panalo tayo. Tapos na. Order ako dito ng hot chocolate. Well done. Good. Yeah. Can I have $1? Just $1. I'll get it. Yeah, thank you. Oh, thank you. Because I want chips as well. Are you going to the car? Kumuha ako ng steak sandwich with onions and nag-order ako ng chips. Thank you! And hot chocolate. Ayan yung hot chocolate. Ito. With gravy. Chips with gravy. Siya tayo ng sauce. Pauwi na kami guys. Time check is 12:15 and
12?
yeah, so panalo si Sak, panalo si Holly, and best second player si Sak. Are you Sak or third? Ha?
Second.
Second. And si Kuya, tumawag si Auntie Mel. Panalo din yung team nila Kuya. And si Kuya naka 2 goals, madaming touch. Then si Sak, how many goals Sak? 3 goals. And si Holly, she done very well as well. So, yeah, panalo yung mga teams nila. I think
How come you run with your hands on your like this, Holly?
Because we can't go like that to them.
Well, you can go like that.
Yeah, but you don't have to run like this, Holly. Everyone, you got to move your arms, and then when you get near them, you put them down. You don't have to run.
Yeah,
I'm wondering
dami-
why you're doing that. You don't do that.
no, because they have lots of rules when it comes to netball.
That is not a rule. You don't have to have your hands on your
Yeah, but
side when you run.
but they're not allowed to do this.
Yeah,
so.
they're not allowed to do that. But you don't have to hold your dress.
Oh, bawal sila mag-ganon. Dapat nakababa lang. So siguro para makontrol ni Holly yung kamay niya. Hinawakan niya na lang yung dress niya.
How fish eat it?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is
More here than Port Mac.
No, we catch more than that.
but yeah, yung isang friend ni Jen dito sa
Have you
rope.
been out here?
Yeah.
Yeah, with
Maya.
Mayo. Remember TJ crying?
Oh yeah.
Diba? Yeah, kasi nung naalala nyo nung nag-fish si Jen dito sa kaibigan niya kasi tapos na siya tapos yung kaibigan niya kailangan niyang kasama.
No.
Si Jan ang
Did they have
tumulong. Naalala niyo yun, umiyak si Kuya sa Woolly na kasi si daddy nila hindi uwi ng ilang araw. See yun. Ay, 2 hours kami magdadrive. Pupunta muna kila Auntie Mel, then si Brad nandun din galing Adelaide. Ang tagal na namin hindi siya nakita. And sobrang nakaka-proud ang batang yun. Meron na siyang negosyo, guys. Binibuild niya na yung negosyo niya. Ay, ang galing. Ang galing ng mga bata ni Auntie Mel. Ang gaganda ng ano.
Oh, they knocked that hotel down.
Ang ganda ng kanilang direction. As in, very stable. Wow. That's good. Ang ganda. Ay, ang ganda ng ano. Oh. Are we gonna drive here, huh? All the way?
Davy Shark's there.
Stop kami dito sa Foodland. Kuha kami ng steak para dinner mamaya. Para hindi na kayo pumunta ng Coles. Kasi ito madadaanan na namin. So tingin kayo kung may steak at saka asparagus. Kasi gusto rin nila asparagus.
This bit here
Sore?
is just because they
So?
went to kick me right.
Who kick you?
Dad, do you know why I got a free kick and set shot in front?
Yeah.
So I got kicked on something. No, it didn't hurt. It was only like. Dad, do you know what I announced it? It went, and then it went.
Yeah.
No, because.
In there, you'll find the asparagus.
Okay, come on.
Yeah, with me.
Asparagus. Here. Mayroong asparagus nila, oh. $4.99. Halos pareho lang naman sa Coles. 2, 3. Eto, may tanim tayo nito. Etong parsley. $2.99. Ayan. Tatlo nito, asparagus. Ito lang naman ang kailangan ko dito. Kaya corn. I-grilled ko yung corn. Yes. Wait lang pa ako ng bag. May corn din dito. Ka tayo ng corn. Piliin natin kasi minsan may mold. Ayan. Wala kasi daw yung ano. Yung may balot pa. Ayan, meron. Ito na lang. Hindi ko alam kung gusto nila. Dalawa lang. $1.60 to. Ayan, yung veggies natin for tonight. Hanapin natin sila. Ayun. Oh, may coffee na naman ang dala nito. No, here. I'm not sure. Here? Oh, no, I don't know.
Oh, in there.
Here. This side. Here. Okay, we are done. Let's pick up Kuya.
I don't know what else that I could do. Tried it every way you asked me to. Seems like there's no way to make it through. Seems like there's no road for me to. I was reading magazines all night. Yeah, some people always talk their way through fights, but I grew up with bruises on these hands.
Nakatulog ako. Ha? My phone?
Mine.
I don't know. Where's your phone now? Magpagas muna kami dito. Ang gas is $3.50 per liter. Dito pala ako sa Coles. Kanina pa kami nakauwi sa bahay. Bumalik lang ako dito sa town. Kasi kanina si Kuya, hindi namin na-pick up kila Auntie Mel. Kasi nandun pa siya sa Footy. So, tumawag siya kanina na pick upin ko raw siya mga around 4:30. So sabi ko, saglit na lang muna ako dito sa Coles. Kuha ako ng mga yung kakailanganin namin. So, bananas, ganyan. Okay, mag-grocery muna akong saglit. Then maya-maya punta ko na si Kuya. Donuts. Ay, ang sarap kumain ngayon kasi ang lamig na. And kuha rin ako ng pangsigang. Galing na rin ako sa Asian store. Kumuha na ako ng mga gulay-gulay doon. Wala nga masyado pero yeah, meron akong nakuha. Kuha ulit ako nitong pork. Gumawa na ako ng spring rolls. Gawa ulit ako para marami tayong stocks. Ay. And then beef para sa pasta. Meron akong pork doon pala na palitan ko yung ating pork na chicken mince for spring rolls. Kasi meron akong pork. Saan ko ito? Pork na ito. Palitan ko na lang dito. Ayan. Dalawa. Kuha rin ako ng pangsigang. Ito na lang. Ito, mas gusto ko tong scotch ng pork. Kasi hindi siya fattening. Ito. Gawa rin ako sa Bicol Express. May ginawa na ako doon. Yung may gata. Ito iba naman ang gagawin ko. Dalawin ko na kaya. Para meron tayong stock. Kasi na guys, start na ng school holiday. Tapos na yung first term. So may 2 weeks sila na school holiday. So hindi ako pupunta ng Mount every day tulad kay Holly. Ito gusto ko rin. Masarap tong pangsigang eh. Masarap buto-buto, no? Pork na buto-buto. Wala silang pork na buto-buto dito eh. Pa tayo ng Maryland na chicken. Ayan pala yung mga nakuha ko. Halos pangluto. Kasi meron pa silang mga snacks dun sa bahay. So yung mga pang-ulam-ulam. Meron tayong carrots. Meron tayong bell pepper. Paulit ako ng isa pa nito. Meron akong kinuha niyan eh. Meron yan. Dagdagan natin. Meron tayo ng spinach. Para sa munggo naman. See ya! Coconut cream. Ayan natin ng coconut cream. And tomato sauce. And tomato paste. Dalawa. Ito masarap din to na panghigop ng sabaw. Diba? Ang macaroni. Pero hindi siya macaroni. Conchigli rigate. Ay, eto. At saka pang lunch nila bukas. Yung peri-peri chicken. Dito ng gatas din yung long life na Devon daw. At saka evap. Ito, sarap tong gatas na ito. Pag emergency lang naman namin to. Pag naubusan kaming fresh milk. Ito. And then evap. Ayan. Para sa ating yun, yung chicken soup na may macaroni. Gawin ko ng 3 para may stock sa bahay. Pari pala ako ng beans. Sana mayroon pang beans. Ayan. Ay, ayan. Sige na, tama na muna to. Kasi si kuya tumatawag na sa akin. Kanina pa siya tumawag eh. Ayan, magsi-self-checkout tayo kasi wala naman silang tao sa mga cashier nila. So, wala tayo dito. Scotch. Dumapa pala ako ng Woolies kasi si Jan tumawag sa akin kanina. Nasa ano na ako, wala na ako sa Coles. Gusto niya raw ng dessert. So, dadaanan ko naman yung Woolies dito malapit sa dance ni Holly. Ayan, kumuha ko nito yung apple pastry. Then, tinapay na din. And, kumuha ko ng pork chop. Ayan, so, ayan. Si Kuya kanina pa tumatawag sa'yo. Kung malapit na Kuya, umuulang pa naman. Dalawa-dalawa yung tumatawag sa akin, si Jan, tapos si Kuya. Ay! O, diba? Sinabi ako ni Jan, malulobat na raw yung phone ni Kuya. Sabi ko, okay, I'm just gonna get out here and then I'm going to pick him up. Umuulan na kasi, o, diba? Nasa taas na kayo, guys. Ah! Naka-child lock pa to. Okay. Alright. Are you sure? You're second and third. I cannot watch Kuya. Wow, you play well. Good.
He always said TJ did excellent on the wing, TJ did excellent down the middle. You did great passing the plays.
What position are you?
Middle, center.
Like Saki.
You
like
play
it?
good.
Yes, he did.
He got second
3.
best.
Yeah, 3 goals though. So watch out, he's gonna tease you.
No, I kicked 2 and a point.
Yeah.
It was that windy.
Yeah, it was really bad here compared in Rome.
I took everyone on and I got out. So like I had my hands up
Yeah.
and everyone was trying to tackle me and I was going like that, swinging my body, struggling.
Yeah,
up.
Auntie Mom said someone wants to fight with you.
Yeah.
Who? Other
Oh,
team?
some random guy just comes up to me, starts fighting, just starts pushing me, saying, "What have you done this game? What have you done this game?" I said, "Oh, more than what you've done."
Well done.
No,
Kuya.
I.
Yeah, well done.
Every
That's-
goal we got, I was involved,
Oh,
and I said that, and he's like, "Oh, you haven't done it." So I rubbed his head and pointed at the scoreboard.
my God. What
And he
the
was like,
umpire
"Shh."
said?
Nothing. He didn't say it.
Was it? The umpire's alright?
Yeah,
You didn't get penalty doing that?
he didn't say.
Is it bigger than you?
No,
Auntie Mo said.
same height.
Auntie Mo said bigger than you. A bit.
Got it.
Ah. Psst. Don't say that.
No, I better just grab him, just like bang. But I wasn't. I didn't want to get reported.
That's right. So you have to play
I was
nice.
so close.
Oh,
I held it in. And then the coach said, "Take him for a run. He won't last long with you." So I took him for a run and he stopped halfway. I said, "What happened, mate?"
You said
I
that?
said, "What happened?"
You said that to him?
Yeah. Oh, you're filming.
It's alright, yeah. Just make it natural. Like. Auntie was so proud too. And then why you didn't tell Auntie Mel that you want to stay? You could have left early after
Oh,
your
I
game.
didn't know.
You should have texted Auntie Mel that you want to stay.
Oh, I was having a shower.
Okay. So who's the best player? Is he really good? Is it bigger than you?
Yeah.
So you're third or second player?
Third.
Third. I forgot Sak. Is it Sak second? or third?
Second.
Zachary?
Yeah.
So watch out, he's gonna say
No,
something.
I should have got second.
It's alright. You're done well for the first game. And then your import there, Kuya. Remember that. So the coach happy? What's the coach said to you? Good? How about the son of the coach? Is he alright?
Yeah.
Did he get goal? Huh?
No.
No.
I think, I don't know.
Auntie Ma said you got lots of touching.
Yeah.
So you like now the center position, Kuya, middle? Usually you're
I played there in the last quarter.
forward. Yeah, it's boring there, Kuya. You're just waiting for the ball.
I face planted 10 times.
Mm.
I kept grabbing the ball and
Yeah.
run with it, and it went to bounce, and I keep falling over.
And then the weather is really bad. Well done, Kuya. I wish we watch you, Kuya. Next week, what time?
8:30.
Yeah, you're early, but Holly need to be there 9:30. So we'll see.
You can watch the first.
The first quarter, yeah.
I'll just stay for the rest of the day.
Yeah, so I'm just gonna pick you up again. Yeah, you can. So, do you watch all the games?
Yeah.
Are they good?
Yeah.
Our team is doing well in Rome.
Yeah, I grade win.
I think so. Yeah, when we left, they're winning. Holy win.
Are we going straight to the
Yeah.
shed?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna close our vlog na kasi kakain na lang naman kami ng dinner. Thank you. Can you close the vlog, Kuya, for the first time? Kuya, close the vlog, please. Thank you, guys.
Thanks.
And then,
I don't have to do.
thanks, guys. Please like, please subscribe, though. Go, Kuya.
Thanks. Please like, please subscribe.
Look at them.
Oh,
Come on.
thanks, guys. Please subscribe.
No, please like, please
Please
subscribe.
like, please subscribe. If you haven't.
See you in our next vlog, guys. Okay, guys. Kasi tingnan nyo yung weather. Ayan yung weather. Ang lamig. Nagkakain lang naman kayo ng dinner din. Gawin ko ng mga pinamili ko. So, thank you, guys. Bye. Thank you, bye. Han. Okay. Ayan, dinala ni Jen dito yung heater gas kasi malamig dito sa shed. And dito kayo magdi-dinner. Ayan, meron tayong steak and hi. Good. Yung sa asparagus ka na dito. Where's my plate?
What? Steak. Why? What else from Bob?
Asparagus, please.
Yeah, how much time is going?
How many is that, many?
5, please.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Because kaya want.
Who wants asparagus? Come on.